everyone, and thanks so much for joining another healthy and nut-free cooking segment. Today we are making quinoa and strawberry lettuce wraps, and it's fast, easy, and absolutely delicious. And the reason we call it Let Us is because people are gonna want more and more after having it. This is something that we kind of threw together. We had a bunch of ingredients. We're like, let's get creative. And the ingredients you're going to need to make these wraps are quinoa, green onions, tomato, strawberries, zucchini, a head of romaine lettuce, and avocado to put on top. So the first thing you're going to want to do, I already got started, but you're going to put 3 cups of water into a pot and boil that and put in the cup of quinoa. Put the lid on the pot and set a timer for 10 minutes. After you do that, it's time to dice up all your fruit and vegetables. So once you've diced up all the fruit and vegetables, you're going to put them in a mixing bowl. The quinoa should be going off right about now, so you will pour that on top of the fruit and vegetables and mix it up so it has great consistency. Once you've done that, it's ready to either spoon it out, it's probably the easiest, onto the lettuce wrap, and that is a quinoa and strawberry lettuce wrap. Quick, easy, and delicious. So let us know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions of a recipe you would love to see, let us know below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.